Hey, thought I'd make a quick video on how to get an A on your graded checkpoints, which are your homework assignments for science. So let's go ahead and get started. First things first, you want to log into your OLS account. Mine obviously looks a little different than yours, but we're going to start here. You're going to go to your classes tab. Okay. Let me move this over. Click on your science tab. I'm going to actually make it look a little bit like yours. All right, so first things first, you will always see a class announcement that will tell you what is due, and there will be a link that will take you directly to the assignment. We're not going to do that today. I'm going to go through content, which is where another place that you can find all of your assignments. You just need to know exactly what to look for. These, of course, are your units. We are in Unit 1, Earth's Surface. Let me use as an example the assignment that we currently have due, which is 1.12. If you're watching this video later, then this is just an example, but you can use this same process to do your future graded checkpoints. Okay, so you would click on 1.12. All right, so if your assignment is 1.12 graded checkpoint, it will be in here. All right, let me make a suggestion before you go into the graded checkpoint. You go ahead and right click. So use the right click on your mouse, open link in new tab, okay, and it will automatically, and I'll show you up here, it will open up another tab for you. And then maybe open up another tab. You can open as many as you want. I'm going to do 3 for today so I can show you a few different things. All right, but what you're going to do is you are going to open up your, let me go up this way a little bit. You're going to open up your graded checkpoint by clicking on it. Okay, so now you're getting ready to start your graded checkpoint. Please always check in your graded checkpoint because, like for example, in this graded checkpoint I wrote, this checkpoint includes the information you learned in lesson 1.11 and 1.12. You need to access both lessons in order to get these answers correct. Please make sure to use the PowerPoints and the OLS information from both lessons. All right, so I want to open up the PowerPoints from 1.11, which is this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to 1.11, and I'm going to open up. You'll find here that I upload the PowerPoint. So I'm going to open up the PowerPoint for 1.11. And as you can see, it's slowly downloading, but soon you'll be able to see those PowerPoints here. I'm going to do the same thing for 1.12. So that now I have both PowerPoints open. And you know what else I'm going to do? I'm going to open up my lesson just in case I want to search in the actual book, online book, for the information. Okay, so this is open. My PowerPoint for 1.12 is open. My PowerPoint for 1.11 is open. And now I'm ready to begin my checkpoint. All right, so now when you go in and you start your graded checkpoint, now I can't start it because I'm only looking at this as if I was a student, but let's say that I did start it and now you can, now you have a question. Now you can toggle between all of your tabs and look for your answers. You can page through the online book, okay, and then you can look through the class slides. These can also be downloaded because actually downloading is an easier way to search through the slides without skipping. I might suggest doing that instead of just scrolling down, but your information's in here. So when you go to the graded checkpoint and you have questions, you can just go from tab to tab and look for your answers. These are checkpoints, not quiz. These are homeworks. So I want you to look for your answers. These homeworks are meant for you to get 10 out of 10s to help boost your grade. If you have any other questions about this, just come and see me in office hours, but this is a great way for you to get 100% on all of your homework assignments. Good luck.